Hello guys, and today I want to show you a good mechanical keyboard. In my opinion, it is a red switch mechanical keyboard. If I take this out for you, it's a red switch. The switch is not hot swappable, and the reason why I prefer this keyboard over other keyboard is probably the numpad. As you can see, located above the arrow key, the numpad lights up, and I prefer having a numpad in my compact keyboard, 86 compact keyboard. This is an 86 key, instead of like the home and the end button. And then you do also have your media control up here, and then the only place that light up is probably the numpad, the backspace, or the cap key. They unfortunately, this one does not have any full RGB or anything crazy like that. For a plastic build though, it is very sturdy. As you can see, I'm trying to put force on it, but it's not flex easily. It is very travelable friendly size, I believe. A little bit on the heavy side though. It feels very well built for its price. Around $50, $40 again. This is what it sounds like when you try to type on it. And that is it. I think it's a great keyboard for a red switch, although it's not a Cherry MX or anything crazy like that. But for $40 or $50, I would recommend this.